Hi guys, look at this mess that I have in the bathroom with makeup, skincare. It's impossible to find anything here, so that's why I was looking for organizer, makeup organizer that I can put on the bathroom counter, and I found this one on Amazon. The brand has three different colors, black, white and cream color. I got a black color because that matches perfect my bathroom interior. Let me show you a few things about the organizer first, and then I'll put everything here and I'll show you how it looks after that. So here I'm planning to put my makeup brushes. I like that you can spin it 360 degrees. And here there are two drawers, and here there's more like, I don't know, shelves, pockets. So I'll put more stuff inside. I want to show you the size, the dimension very quick before I start putting everything on the organizer. So it's 13 each. This one is 9 and 9. So I will put everything on the organizer and I'll be back to show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm done. You guys can see how everything looks organized now. The best thing I like is that here for the makeup brush, you can close this part here, so there is no, the dust doesn't go over the makeup brush, which is very important for me. And again, this rotate 360 degrees. And here I put some makeup. Here are my moisturizers. I have some serums here, toners and facial cleaning stuff here. So I really like this makeup organizer, and now I can find everything very easy.